Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to mute notifications for uploads and sharing on the Instagram app on PC, especially after the latest update where some settings have shifted a bit. If you've been getting constant alerts every time someone uploads or shares something, this will help you take back control and keep things quiet. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any issues. Once you're inside the app, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From there, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can customize how Instagram behaves for your account. Now inside Settings, look for Notifications and click on it. This is where all your alert preferences are managed. Next, click on Push Notifications. This section controls the notifications you receive in real time. Scroll down until you find Uploads and Sharing. This is the part that handles alerts when people post new content or share things with you. To mute these notifications, simply select Off. Once you do that, Instagram will stop sending you alerts for uploads and sharing activities. That's it. The change is saved automatically, so you don't need to confirm anything else. Now you can use Instagram without constant interruptions, making your experience much more focused and less distracting. If you ever want to turn the notifications back on, just follow the same steps and choose a different option. Give it a try and enjoy a quieter feed.